Before I go on to analysing question 3, I just wanted to say that by having 94 responses to my questionnaire is amazing, and it does show me that all my results aren't biased, because if I ask a few people, it's more likely to be it's more accurate with the more responses you get, which makes me feel a lot more confident about what my topic is and how I'm going to be doing it. Anyway, going on to this question. What is your favourite genre for a magazine? Personally, this is one of the most important questions when it comes to the whole magazine. I found it a little bit on edge when I found out these results, just because by now I've already done quite a lot of work on my planning section for my magazine, so this really helps just to reassure what I'm doing and makes me feel a lot better. So we can clearly see here that 54% of people prefer or like the most fashion magazines. Then comes the film, then art, then other, then music. What really intrigues me here is that 7% of people said other, which did get me thinking, well, what other genres are there? But when thinking about it, it could have been lifestyle or something as simple as that. But when it comes down to making our magazines, that's not going to be as easy as either the film, fashion, art or music magazines. I'm really happy to see that 51 people said that fashion was their favourite one. It just shows that there is such a wide range of topics which you can include in this section, and so many people enjoy it that it's definitely worth doing my magazine in this area. Yeah, I'm very happy with these questions. It seems very good, and it favours my plan for my magazine pretty well, actually.